Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math algebra problem, and here we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to 91, and here we find the value of x and y. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we rewrite this equation, and here you see that this is the very famous cubic identity or cubic formula, so that uh, we just use this nice formula here, and we know that x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square, and this whole equals to 91. So here first you focus on the left hand side, and you see that we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So now first we make we find any numbers whose product is equals to 91, so that here we have four possibilities in which you get the value of you get the product of two number equals to 91. So that the first case is when we multiply 1 by 91, then we get here 91, and when we multiply 91 by 1, it is also equals to 91. And the third case is uh, when we multiply sorry, if you write 91 by 1, or negative value is also exist here, but when we multiply 7 by 13, it is also equals to 91, and 13 multiplied by 7 equals to 91. So here we have these possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers equals to 91. So if we make the relation between x minus y and x square plus xy plus y square, then we see that x minus y, because this is the subtraction of two numbers, but this is the sum of squares of two numbers. So here we say that x minus y is always less than x square plus xy plus y square. It means that in the left hand side we have the product of two factors in which the one factor is, or one number is less than the second number. So in the right hand side we get any two numbers in which the first number is less than the second number. So if you focus on this, and we see that our 1 is less than 91, so this possibility is hold. And if you focus on this, we have 91 is greater than 1. So here we say that it is not hold. But if you see here, 7 is less than 13, so it is hold. And in this case 13 is greater than 7, so we cannot choose this option. So we have two possibilities, 1 multiplied by 91 and 7 multiplied by 3. So we can divide this in two cases. Our case number 1 is, first we choose x minus y equals to 1, and we choose x square plus xy plus y square equals to 91. So this is the case number 1. And in case number 2 we choose x minus y equals to 7, and x square plus xy plus y square equals to 91. So there exist these two cases in which we get the product of 91. So now we can solve these two cases and we get the values of x and y. So that here we solve the case number 1. So from case number 1, so this is our case number 1, and here we get the value of x equals to, we move this minus y to the right hand side, and it will becomes y plus 1 plus y. And now we call this as equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. So we put the value of x in equation number 2. So we put in equation number 2, and this is equation number 2, x square plus xy plus y square is equals to 91. We put this value here and we get 1 plus y whole square plus 1 plus y into y plus y square equals to 91. So now we can simplify this equation, and we will open the formula of this equation, and we get 1 plus y square plus 2y plus we multiply this y on both terms, then we get y plus y square, and this is also y square minus 91 equals to 0. We move this 91 in the left hand side, and now we rearrange the terms and we get y square plus y square plus y square becomes 3 times of y square, and 2y plus y becomes 3y, and 1 minus 91 equals to minus 90, and this whole equals to 0. So now we divide each term by 3 on both of the sides in this way, and we get this 3 is cancelled by this and we get y square, this 3 is cancelled by this, we get plus y, and this 3 3s are 9, and we get minus 30 equals to 0 over 3 is 0. Now we will easily make the factors of this equation, and the factors are y square plus 6y minus 5y minus 30 equals to 0. So here we take common y and we get y plus 6. Here we take common minus 5 and we get y plus 6 equals to 0. So here we can simplify these terms and we take common y plus 6 on these two equations, and we get y plus 6 into y minus 5 equals to 0. So here we get y plus 6 equals to 0 and y minus 5 equals to 0. So in this case we get the value of y is minus 6, and in this case we get the value of y equals to 5. And now we have two values of y, so we write it here, y equals to minus 6 and y equals to 5. But in the start of the problem we see here our x equals to 1 plus y, this is. So we put the value of y here and we get the values of x. So that here first we write our x equals to 1 plus y. So in both of these cases we will get x equals to, when we put y equal minus 6 we get x equals to minus 5, and when we put y equals to 5 we get x equals to 6. So here we get the first pair of values of xy is minus 5 minus 6, and here you get the value of xy is 5, x is 6 and y is 5. So this is the values of x and y from case number 1, and now we move towards our case number 2. So here we write from case 2. So first here we will write case 2, which is x minus y equals to 7, and x square plus xy plus y square equals to 13. Sorry, so this is 13. So we correct it here. In this case we have this value becomes 13 because 13 sevens are 91. So this is our case number 2, and here this implies that x equals to 7 plus y, and we call this as equation number 5. So we put this value of x below equation, and we get 7 plus y whole square plus 7 plus y into y plus y square equals to 13. And now we will simplify this case, and here we open the square of this and we get 49 plus y square plus 14y, and we multiply this y on this equation and we get 7y plus y square equals to 13. So here we add or subtract the like terms and we get here 3 times of y square plus 14y plus y equals to 21y, and we move 13 to the left hand side and we get 49 minus 13, it will be equals to 36, and this whole equals to 0. So now we divide both sides by 3 on each equation, Then we obtain its output in this form: y square plus 7y plus 12 equals to 0. So now we easily make the factors of this equation, and its factors are y square plus 3y plus 4y plus 12 equals to 0. So here we take common y from first two terms and we get y plus 3, and here we take common 4 and we get y plus 3 equals to 0. So in these two cases we get y plus 3 times of y plus 4 equals to 0. So here we get the two values of y. One is minus 3 and other value is minus 4. So we put these two values of y in equation number 5. So that here we copy down the equation number 5. It is x equals to 7 plus y, and now we put the value of y here. Then when we put y equal to minus 3 here, then we get x equals to 4, and when we put y equals to minus 4 here, then we get x equals to 3. So finally we have the two values of x and y in case number 2 are, so here we get when y equals to minus 3 we get x equals to 4, so this pair becomes 4 into minus 3, and when we get y equals to minus 4 we get x equals to 3, so this pair becomes 3 into 4. So these are the final solution of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.